welcome to the first recording for this term. We are going to describe the structure and function of the excretory system. Again, this word is pronounced excretory system. Okay, so this is a picture of the excretory system. The excretory system includes different body systems, including the digestive system, which we spoke about before. Remember, the digestive system removes the undigested solid waste. The urinary system, which processes, transports, collects, and removes liquid from the waste. So again, urinary system is removing liquid waste. And then we have the respiratory system, which removes gas waste in the form of carbon dioxide and water vapor. So every time we breathe out, a little bit of water vapor leaves our body. And the last part of the excretory system is called the integumentary system. And the integumentary system includes the skin. So our skin actually helps us get rid of waste. It helps us get rid of both excess water and salt in the form of sweat. So if you taste your sweat, if you're exercising, you might taste that it is salty, and that is because your excretory system is doing its job. So the excretory system is much like the trash man who comes around and removes the trash from our body. So we need to remove the waste products such as the extra salt, extra undigested food, and all of these things need to come out of our blood and body so that we can maintain what's known as homeostasis. The key terms that you should be familiar with include urine, kidney, excretory system, bladder, ureter, and urethra. Again, here are the organs of the excretory system. This includes the skin, which is made of many different glands and blood vessels just beneath the skin. It includes the respiratory system. Respiratory system is your lungs. So we take oxygen in because our body needs it to help us make the energy we need. And we breathe out carbon dioxide. So the breathing out process of carbon dioxide is part of the excretory system. We have the digestive system, remember, which includes the liver and most importantly, the large intestines is the major part of the excretory system. Because remember, that is preparing the waste by absorbing all of the extra liquids and pushing out the undigested solids. A part of the digestive system that you may be less familiar with is the urinary system, which includes the kidneys and all the complexities of the kidneys. So question, how do the above organs become excretory organs of our body? Well, all of these organ systems collect and remove waste from our body. We spoke about the urinary system and the integumentary system, and even the respiratory system also helps us regulate fluids, so it makes sure that our water is always balanced within our body, as well as salts. And most importantly, it helps maintain homeostasis. Please remember that homeostasis is the ability to maintain or keep a stable internal environment. So inside of our bodies, we need to always stay relatively the same. like our temperature, is always at about 37 degrees Celsius. Our water levels need to be at a certain volume, and our oxygen levels, our oxygen saturation should always be around 90%. So, or above 90%. So these are the things that the doctor is checking for, is that your body is maintaining homeostasis. Okay, so on page 233, there are types of excretion that your body, we talk about. And I mentioned these before. So what is the role of the digestive system? You can see the role of the digestive system is to remove solid waste from undigested food. The role of the respiratory system is to remove carbon dioxide as well as water vapor. How does the integumentary system play a role in the excretory system? Like the respiratory system, it removes water and it is removing salt, and that is in the form of sweat. The urinary system, which we will focus on in this chapter, functions to process, transport, collect liquid waste. So the urinary system is filtering liquid waste out of our blood. Okay, so in our next video, we will look at the different organs of the urinary system and some of the disorders of the urinary systems. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Masalama.